Okay, so they don't give you a diagram. It's probably easiest to draw one, but I'm also going to show you how you don't have to worry about drawing one if you're clever at the information. So here's an example of that. This tells us that we're finding cosine A. Well, remember what I said about triangles. If this is the right angle, or the hypotenuse is always C, opposite the right angle, or opposite the hypotenuse, will be angle C. So the angles and sides are always opposite each other. Uppercase is for the angles, lowercase is for the side. So this side says cosine of angle A. That means this side is A. So those two sides, that's how we know this will be the opposite, because we have angle A, so side A is opposite. And then since the hypotenuse is C, we know we have adjacent. So without even drawing a diagram for this one, you can say, well, for cosine, I need adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, I don't have a hypotenuse, but we know a squared plus b squared. So a squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse c squared. So 6 squared plus 8 squared is equal to c squared. 36 plus 64, that's 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So c is equal to 10, and that's the hypotenuse. So now we just fill in the information. The adjacent side is 6. The hypotenuse side is 10. However, because that's a fraction that you can reduce, you can type in 6, the ABC button, 10, enter, or they both just have a 2 in common. That's the easiest way, I think. 6 divided 2 is 3. 10 divided 3 is 5. So 3/5. Get that out of the way. All right, let's do one more. Then we'll go on to another video. So look at what they have. Oh, look it. They give us angle A and they give us side A. So we know this is the opposite side. We also know that we don't have the hypotenuse. That makes this side adjacent, but this is fantastic because with tangent, we don't need the hypotenuse. We need the opposite side and we need the adjacent side. So the opposite side is 12, the adjacent side is 9, and then you reduce. 12 and 9 both have a 3 in common. 12 is 3 times 4. 9 is 3 times 3. So tangent of theta will be 4/3, and we did not draw a diagram. Now, if you like the diagram method better, 12 is longer than 9. So this is angle A. Opposite is 12. We don't know the hypotenuse, so this side is 9. And from the viewpoint of this angle, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and then opposite over adjacent. So you could do it that way. You just don't need to with this given information. All right, that's it for this one.